Happy Sunday, everybody. This is Kimberly Christine, and I am going to show you some tips for cleaning out your chair from all the thread and scrap material that gets stuck in the wheels. This is something that is pretty much a weekly ordeal here in the costume shop, and the best tool that you can have are focus. Where is it? Focus. I know this is tough. These needle nose pliers. You can see the nice grips on the inside there. That will help you to get the grooves. Now the grooves are right here. That's where you can see that wheel spins, and it's the bar underneath that connects the two wheels together here. They're on the same bar, but there's a groove on each side, and that's where those threads get bound up. Don't be afraid to be aggressive and really put that pliers in there and really pinch in between that groove to get a lot of those threads out. Anyway, that is your best defense. As you can see, all of this here, let me just show you, all of that is what I have pulled out from all of those wheels. So that is your best defense for keeping a nice clean chair smooth and gliding. And happy sewing, and yeah, that's all I got to say. All right, have a great Sunday, people. Peace out.